Howdy there, y'all. So here you go, we got a McCulloch 1010 automatic from 1971. Just got running a little bit ago. Got 18-inch Oregon bar on it, 3/8-inch chain. With my granddad's, he ran it quite a few years cutting firewood. I had to mess with the carb on it. Had to re-clean it out real bad because it just wasn't running right. So compared to some of the ones you see, it looks pretty rough, but just got the standard carburetor on little one here. I know they made this saw for a whole long time, different models of the 10 series, but if any of y'all have this and you're trying to figure out the mix ratio, I found the other day, I don't know if you can see it, but of all places, they put the mix ratio and what it takes, how to start it and all, on the inside of the cover there. But this is a good old saw. I ripped that down nice and good there, put a big old pile of sawdust with it. It runs pretty well. Doesn't start as easy as my Craftsman or the Steel I've got. It's got more power though. So, I'll start her up, let her run.